Hey everyone, welcome back to Ordinary Adventures.
Today we have an unusual video for you. We're trying to find Kitra a Halloween costume.
I waited too long and we're going to a Halloween party tonight, so I have to find one. And we always drive by this place on our way to Disneyland. It's called the Halloween Club. They're open all year round as opposed to most Halloween stores. So we decided, why not check it out today and see what they have.
We've never been here. Yeah. It looks big.
Yeah, there's a lot of people here too, so I feel like I'm not the only one who needs a costume.
Yeah, come with us on this adventure.
Seems like there's a lot of random stuff, so let's go check it out.
This place looks huge.
I think I see a Donald Trump mask. Or wait, I can't tell. Is that Donald Trump? I mean, there's like 10 of them up there. Should I get one before they sell out? No, I think no.
Look at that, you can be a Na'vi from Avatar.
I honestly love the idea of doing a mask, but they're so hard to breathe in that I feel like I wouldn't be comfortable.
Yeah, you take it off after like 5
Yeah, I take it off after I take my photo in it, and then mask is coming off. So I don't know if I want to spend my money on that, but they do have a lot of really cool ones here.
You could be an evil clown. It looks like that's very popular. It looks like they've sold out of a lot of their evil clown stuff.
I don't think so.
You could wear the mask from Mr. Robot. And that way you don't even have to wear a Halloween costume. It's just the mask. You could just put the mask on.
That's an option. We'll keep that idea. Oh wow, this alien one's only $4.99. So I should just get this like no matter what, right? There's like no downside. Does it look good?
It's perfect.
Try it on?
This whole video is just going to be me trying on masks, isn't it?
Yep.
How many of you have actually seen this show?
You just look like Mr. Monopoly or something.
They have like every single wig you could ever want. They have a bunch of different sections here, which I like, because normally everything's usually all mixed together. They have kids, women's, teens, plus size for men and women, which I'm excited to see the selection of that. But I still want to walk down the regular women's aisle just to see if there's anything that might fit me. I don't know. Being optimistic here, we're going to go down the teen women's aisle because it doesn't actually look like teens. All the models on the packaging look older, so let's just go look.
I like how they just try to take Disney characters and make them sexy.
Yeah, that's the whole thing. I'm not really into that whole sort of vibe, but I mean, if I see something that I like, I might get it.
Kitra, you could be Village Beauty.
Well, you could always be the Beastly Beauty. All you'd have to do is not brush your hair and wear this outfit. Last one left and it's not my size, so not happening today. This one is just called Lost. I think she's supposed to be Dory from Finding Nemo. Found the Ray costume. I have two different ones. They look the same though.
I think one's Last Jedi and one is Force Awakens.
Yeah, even though it's the exact same thing. Someone please explain to me why this is the teen aisle, because all these are all the sexy costumes, so I'm confused. Sexy smuggler.
You can dress up as a character from The Huntsman Winter's War, a movie that no one ever saw. I love it in the Stranger Things section. They have costumes for 11, which basically just looks like you live in Seattle or the middle of the country.
I think we've seen enough of this aisle. On to the next. I was thinking of possibly being a bee to match my dog Pixel. She also has a bee costume. But this isn't really what I was envisioning. But am I going to find any bee costume that isn't like this? I don't think I am.
Yeah, Pixel has a bee costume. Gizmo has a hot dog costume. This year, I'm dressing as a hot dog. So it would be cool if you could find...
Yeah, the dream is to be a bee. So we could be one matching happy family. But I don't know.
But will you be mine?
Oh, of course.
Maybe instead of being a hot dog, I could be former Supreme Leader Snoke. No? Got to give Snoke some love. He got that black kyber on his ring.
Hashtag buzzed. Ugh. This is not what I wanted. Hornet honey.
That does not look like a bee.
No?
No.
I like it though.
It looks like a character from like Mortal Kombat.
I actually think this one's kind of cute, but this is the only one they have and it's a size small, so... Lesson learned, don't wait until the last day before you need a Halloween costume to try to find a Halloween costume. I found the build your own bee costume. This is only $11.
Well, you can also get these socks and these gloves. Or you already got gloves then.
I mean, I could just wear a black dress and this and... No.
This is definitely not what I remember the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles looking like. But turtle shell backpack included, so that's good. You need a boa? They have boas in all different colors. You could be Batman.
Okay, let's go to the next aisle. Alright, this is apparently the plus size aisle. Let's see if it's actually plus size.
I have the power. Where's this from Pirates of the... I don't know. Look, he could be Sedusa instead of Medusa. Sedusa?
I don't want to be any of these things, Peter. I'm sorry, but no.
This one doesn't even make sense to me. So I guess this costume is the person that is on the board game Operation, but a female version?
Makes perfect sense, Peter. What don't you understand?
In more baffling costumes, you could be a container of Play-Doh, a sexy container of Play-Doh, or you can be a tiki drink. So we finally found some plus-size costumes. Could be Princess Leia. Could be Captain Marvel.
I don't know, I found this witch costume.
Generic witch.
Yeah. I've never been a cat and I've never been a witch, so like maybe this is the year. I don't know. Still looking.
Kitra, you could be a clueless cutie.
I know, I saw that. I'm good though. I'm pass on that one.
You can even be a Bob Ross painting, which apparently pairs well with a couple costuming if you had someone to be Bob Ross.
This is it. $90?
Well, 30% off. $90. So it's probably like $60. But you could be Jabba the Hutt.
Oh, yeah. This is a great one, but no. No, this is a good couple's costume. Peter, let's be Dumb and Dumber. Does it come with the hat?
Probably.
Would anybody get this if I wore this by myself?
Probably not.
It's only $5.
I wonder why.
So I just found this and I got really excited, but the shirt's not included.
How is the shirt not included? Where do you get the shirt?
I don't know. I don't see the shirt anywhere. I was like, oh my god, this is perfect.
Is this in bad taste? I think it's in bad taste.
This character from the Emoji Movie.
What? I don't even remember the Emoji Movie, so...
Me neither. It was a joke. Can't believe it's come down to this. Peter's convinced me to maybe just go as a hamburger, so it could be a hamburger and a hot dog. I might end up doing that and still trying to find that bee costume for actual Halloween night. Maybe on Amazon or something they'll have one. I don't know. What do you guys think? Thumbs up, thumbs down? We don't know. It's $25.
Plus 30% off.
Yeah, but that's a lot of money for like something that I'm literally going to throw away after.
When you're a bigger person, Halloween costume shopping can be like a soul-crushing experience. It's I guess everybody in the world is small? No. So where are the bigger people buying their Halloween costumes?
So this is what you do. You buy a hamburger. It'll cover your whole body. You'll feel great about yourself.
What are you going to do?
I think we're going to go ahead and get this delicious hamburger. Even though I look like I'm wearing a potato sack. We're going to do it for fashion. On the way out, we noticed these scented pens. This one's supposed to smell like candy corn.
Why you'd pay for a pen that smells bad? I don't know.
No regrets. No returns. No exchanges. All sales final. If you guys liked today's adventure, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell if you want to stay updated.
Yeah, because we might be going to the biggest Halloween party in the world,
Yeah,
U.S.
I think, yeah.
Something like that.
You
So
don't wanna
hit
miss
subscribe.
that.
You won't want to
Yeah.
miss it. We'll see you
On
on
the
the next
next
adventure.
adventure.
Thanks for watching.
Bye, everyone.